Your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, a warm one tomorrow. I've taken out any mention of a sprinkle or even an isolated shower in our southwest counties in the morning. Just don't see that happening. There's just too much dry air bleeding in from the east. And again, the big heat dome that goes up into Canada and then extends into our area, that's like a wall. So Francine can't move north. 86 the high tomorrow, though. Pretty breezy to even windy in the afternoon. Pretty strong east to east-southeast wind blowing. So with the dry air, the wind, things are really drying out now. Watch for the grass and field fire threat. There you see the highs tomorrow. You know, I think the warmest readings are actually going to be in our northern and northeastern counties because down here there'll be a little bit more cloudiness regardless of what the model has here with the color scheme. You know, typically the rust color indicates 90s. But I think if we're going to get to 90 or near 90, it's going to be up this way. 88 Peru. 89 Winnemac, 89 up here towards DeMont, 87 Rensselaer, and about 84 at Attica. Now on Saturday, it's 86 to 90. Still pretty strong wind from the east-southeast, 62 in the morning, 88 by the afternoon. Partly cloudy early, then becoming mostly sunny with around 90 Winnemac and Rochester, and up here on Wheatfield. We'll be pushing 90 at Monticello, and then upper 80s from Lafayette down towards Attica. Now for the frenzy, of course, it's dry. Temperatures in the 80s at kickoff. Very low humidity. And the game end temperature at 75 and just a few patchy clouds around with a sunset Friday evening at 8:01. Of course, Purdue versus Notre Dame. Big game on Saturday at Ross-Ade Stadium. And it looks dry. I'm going to take this mention of an isolated shower out of the forecast. Becoming mostly sunny, breezy, and if you're tailgating, 87 at 5 p.m., 65 early in the morning at 8, about 83 at noon. There is Futurecast. Again, the remnants of Francine down here really getting torn up by the blocking upper ridge here and also the very dry air coming in from the east and east-southeast. You know, some clouds, especially in our southwest, but this would be alverga. I mean, this is not going to reach the ground. This is early Saturday morning. And then the clouds pull away. We turn mostly sunny Saturday afternoon and even Sunday. A lot of sunshine. Same thing into Monday. And whatever's left of Francine is then kind of absorbed by whatever's down here in the Carolinas, whether it be a low pressure, a tropical depression, or a very weak tropical storm. It's just going to be inclement down here. Windy and very wet this way. And that's where the rough weather stays. This just kind of sits here. So flooding rains in the Carolinas. We are still dry and hot and mostly clear even a week from tomorrow. This is the following Friday, and things don't even change into the following weekend. So a long duration, hot, dry, droughty weather pattern for us. Notice the upper 80s to even around 90 or a little more than that early in the week, and then we get up to 92 on Thursday. That is near record hot levels. The same thing into Friday and Saturday and even Sunday of next weekend.